The tropical zone currently accounts for 40% of the world's population and probably 60% in 2050. This shows the importance of this zone in terms of population. Moreover, the tropical zone comprises vast continental and scattered island territories subject to trade winds and a very high trajectory of the sun. The energy and environmental challenges are huge, particularly in the building sector, which is responsible for a sizable share of greenhouse gas emissions. But why spend so much energy to achieve thermal comfort when these regions benefit from the mildest climates in the world? And why use so much energy for lighting and hot water while nature is generous with plenty of daylight and high renewable energy potential? Answers to these questions form the very heart of this MOOC. Designing buildings by taking advantage of the natural assets of the tropical zone in order to satisfy the needs of the occupants. To tackle this vast subject within a short time, we have purposely limited our coverage of topics to only tropical humid zone. As for the technical aspects, this MOOC is designed to be generalist. It introduces different technical concepts one should be aware of in order to get an overall understanding of the subject. Future MOOCs will provide a deeper understanding of more technical disciplines. This training is therefore aimed at a larger audience: building practitioners, contracting authorities, architects, and design offices. To develop this panoramic vision of the approach to the sustainable development of buildings, which we will also address as sustainable construction and eco-construction, we are proposing a 3-week training consisting of 3 modules. The first module defines comfort and adaptive comfort, highlights the challenges to achieving comfort in the tropical climate, proposes practical solutions to suit the local climate, and concludes with the lifetime impacts of buildings. Module 2 develops the methodological approaches and steps to eco-construction. First, sustainable urban planning, then the bioclimatic approaches, followed by the optimization of the different energy uses in a building, and finally, the assessment of the overall cost of the buildings. Module 3 focuses on the human aspect, such as project management, role of stakeholders, and the involvement of the occupants. We shall also cover the concrete application of the different disciplines through some case examples. The animators of this MOOC are specialists of the subject with long professional experience in the tropical zone. The training sequences are accompanied by bibliographical supplements, practical exercises, and quizzes to assess the depth of the knowledge acquired. Enjoy the MOOC.